Hi guys, so in this video you will learn the filter function in Python. This is a really neat function in Python which helps you with generating or cleaning data basically. So we talked in a previous video about checking if a value is true or false, yeah. So here we can do the same. So basically this filter function, how it works is you call it like this. You pass a function that returns true or false, and then you pass the iterable, or basically the list you want to filter. So for example, we've talked about the bool function, which returns true if the value is true, or false if the value is false. Now we'll pass the list, and this filter function returns a filter object, and we want a list object, so we'll convert it into a list and we'll print that. So to make this easier to read, this will be filtered data would be like that. Then we'll print a list version of this filtered data. I'll explain it in a sec. Just as you can see here, we got rid of this empty string and this none type. How this works basically is this filter function calls the bool function on each item of this. If the bool function says it's a true value, it keeps it. If it says a false value, it removes it. So after it does operations, we basically get a clean list of only good values, which is this and this string. So yeah, that's it for this function. Hope you've enjoyed this quick video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this to improve your Python skills. And yeah, share this video with a friend if you know this will benefit them. And thank you for watching, and peace out.